In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Yealink EXP50 Expansion Module to your Yealink T50 series telephone. I have a T50 series type of device, and what you're looking for here are these slats, both sides, and those are going to hook up with the connector. And over here, we have where your screw is going to screw in as well. What I want to do here is line this up in here. These are going to go down. So this side is facing the module. That's going to go down. I'm going to push down a little bit and it should just slide in place. That's all you need to do. Over here, I'm going to do the same thing. There are some, you can see some holes in the slat. I want to line those up and now push it towards where it lines up with the screw back here. All right, and that's where you're going to put your screw. There we go. Easy peasy. Now to connect this to your phone, you'll grab the USB connector and this end will go on the back of the T50 series. This part that looks like the mini USB will go into the module, and that's what that looks like. Now, if you have two or more modules, you will daisy chain it in the same fashion. You'll connect the USB into this end and then the mini USB on the other module. If we're going to use the stand, you just connect that back into these slats that are right here. And there you go. That's what that would look like connected. That's what it looks like when you're powering that bad boy up. This particular phone that I have is not connected to anything, but I can tell you what features are available and important things that you'll want to know once you start using your Yealink EXP50. You have a total of 20 keys, which you can program for shortcuts, different phone numbers, or different statuses. And if you daisy chain, obviously you'll have many more keys that you can pick from. So the very busy person with a lot of shortcuts, you'll want to get more than one unit and daisy chain it to your existing one. You'll want to make sure that your EXP50 is connected to a Yealink device that has the latest firmware update. So you have the smoothest user experience possible. You can check that out on Yealink's site to see if you have the latest firmware update for your telephone, or check with your phone administrator. And with the EXP50, you can also connect a corded wired headset to the back via the USB port. That's right there. Or you can also use a wireless headset with the phone and the EXP module. Is great for admins, receptionists, contact center staff who can't afford to waste time digging through menus just to find somebody's name, or finding out if they're actually connected in the building or somewhere else via the presence. Now, the EXP50 module will allow you to have that information right at your fingertips. You'll want to check the user's manual, as well as a bunch of other videos where we talk about this in depth. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you next time.